delicious. Alright, let's go on a walk. It's cold, so this one, Sam's Club, y'all, they be having some good finds. I'm gonna put this one on under this one. Cause like 3 layers isn't enough. So this one's nice because it's so thick. So this is how we're going. Anytime you go to Sam's, you gotta check out the clothes. Look at this that I just found. It's so soft, stretchy AF, $13, and they have the matching shorts too. Okay, we've made it to Ulta. We got loaded with groceries. I'm gonna take this in because this is what I need. So I think I found some good liquid pencils. I'm about to use them on myself though first before I just purchase them, you know. Okay, so I do like that blue. Quick haul because my husband's game starts. Do not freeze. Oh, so I need to leave in the fridge? I got these cinnamon rolls. I love cinnamon rolls. Ground turkey, an extra large piña. I'm not even gonna use my piña cutter because it's so big. Half of it would go to waste. Some nuts, salad, cheese, tortillas, grapes, milk, eggs, lemons, my clothes from Sam's. This big thing of hot Cheetos was $5 and it's the lemon kind. Anytime you go to Walmart, spinach, because I want to start doing smoothies with spinach. Anytime you go to Walmart and get hot Cheetos, it's literally like $5 for a regular sized. Oh, 2 mangoes, quick oats, apples, a melon. I almost didn't get it because it's tiny. I'm like, there was like no big ones. Cucumbers, a squash, un aguacate. Good shopping day. This I thought was so cute. Little workout sweater. It's still not. Oh, and it even has a thumb. I love it when they have a thumb thing. It's not hot enough to not work out with the sweater. And this is like lightweight, so perfect. Okay. I made it. My husband requested burgers, so we're gonna have burgers. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do an oil treatment because I don't do them as often as I would like and I want to get back on it. I used to do them pretty often and my hair was growing like crazy. So both of these together are great. When I was doing them, I noticed my hair got so thick out of nowhere and my hair is still pretty thick. It's just, I know it can be thicker. So I want to start doing more oil treatments, especially since after childbirth, they say, well, I've witnessed it too. So not like on myself, obviously, but like clients and friends, they always lose hair. So in case I do lose hair after, I want my hair to be as thick as possible. So that way it doesn't seem like I'm bald. The plan for today, I'm gonna do this oil treatment, go for a walk. That's cute. I went to the gym yesterday with my husband and we did chest. Y'all, I'm sore. I don't really work out with him because he does a lot of upper body. And for when he works out, like at times that I usually can't, you're like laying on the bench, went up like this, went like up like this, went up like this, and then we did pec flies. I'm not that sore because I didn't do like crazy weight, but still I'm sore. Good morning. Today's Wednesday. Well, it's not even morning. It's 1 o'clock. I usually go in at noon on Wednesdays, but y'all, I was so tired this morning. And I didn't have a client. I literally don't have a client until 3 o'clock. So I'm like, I'm not trying to go at noon, not have a client until 3. And I used the purple eyeliner today. And honestly, I don't hate it. Now, am I in love? No, I think I need to practice a little bit more, but I think it's actually kind of cute. I did my black liner first, and then I did the purple. I don't know, what do y'all think? I'm really starting to show y'all. Like, a lot of my clothes, I'm gonna be sad because I'm not gonna fit into them anymore.